everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching and being loyal. Are you wondering what to do during this quarantine? Are you bored? Running out of things to do? Bashing your head against the wall? Well, this is a perfect time to make cookies! Delicious and nutritious, as usual. These are paleo vegan cookies, and they are absolutely delicious. You're not gonna just have one. You're gonna have two. Or four, like me the other day. But anyways, I mean, who's counting calories right now? I mean, I'm not gonna go outside and see anybody for a while anyways. You can eat the whole batch if you want, or save it for later. Save it for friends or civilization when you see them, whenever that is. Stay safe and stay healthy. By the way, I have to thank Running with Spoons for this recipe. If you want to learn how to do these cookies, keep watching.
These are the ingredients we're going to be using. I'm going to go over the amounts and measurements later on in the video as I'm doing it. To start off, we have 1.5 cups of blanched almond flour. I get this one at Trader Joe's. And we're adding all the dry ingredients first. So after that, we're going to be adding our 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, or any salt you prefer. And now I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together. And now we're going to add our wet ingredients. You can also just add all the wet ingredients to a little bowl like the one I was about to do it in, and then add it to the dry ingredients, but I didn't do that, so I did it this way instead. I'm just adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I am giving it a good mix before I add in my others. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. Give it a good mix. And the mixing with the whisk was getting a little bit difficult, so I decided to go with my hands, because when in doubt, just use your hands. They're there for a reason. So now I'm just mixing everything together, and then I'm gonna assemble little balls, little cookie dough balls of our Snickerdoodles. So we're going to make a bunch of those. Feel free to make them as big or as small as you like. I personally am just using the palm of my hands, which are smallish, to decipher how big I want my balls. So once that's done, you're going to have an army of little cookie dough balls. And now we're going to make the toppings. So I'm taking 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar. And then I'm going to take half a teaspoon of cinnamon and mix them together. Super easy. I'm doing this on parchment paper so I don't make a huge mess and things don't stick together. So now you're just gonna roll your dough into our little mixture. Just coat all of them. I like to get it on real good, and if you need more, you can add more, but it is gonna make the cookies look a little bit weird if you put too much. So now that we have them on our baking sheet ready to go in the oven, you're going to go take a flat surface like this cup. Anything with a flat surface that's clean, and you're just going to squish your cookies down. This is just going to create the shape. Now that they're all flat and ready to go, you can put them in the oven, and then once they're done, let them cool on a wire rack.
And that's it. You're all done.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Pretty sure Justin Bieber made that song for these cookies.